Hey there viewers, welcome back to the garage. We got a fun one. We got a 94 Mercedes and we are doing the motor mounts and the tranny mounts. So we got the motor mounts here. Got one on each side of the engine. And the tranny mount which holds up the tranny. So we're underneath, set up on the jacks. There's one mount there and one mount there for the engine mounts, and then the tranny mount is at the back of the tranny. So we're going to jack this up by the tranny. We're going to put the tranny jack underneath, put some support, take the cross member off for the tranny jack, take the bolts out to the tranny jack first, and then we'll lift the motor up. And there's one bolt underneath, and there's also one bolt up top where it connects to that arm that's bolted to the block. So we'll do that. Alright, so we got one side out. So what I did is I took the shield, plastic shield underneath off, jacked the tranny jack on the oil pan, took the two 17mm bolts at the bottom of the mount. The mount sits in two 17mm bolts, and then when those are out you jack it up. There's four 13mm bolts that hold the bracket to the engine. So we got those out. Still got to do the other side. So now we just take the top bolt off and put the new mount in. And as you guys can see, comparing the new mount to the old mount, that old mount is torn and destroyed right there. That's the reason why we're changing it. So I'm going to get through that and I'll bring you guys back when we do the tranny mount. Okay, so we got them both back in now. So before you tighten everything, line everything up, get all the bolts started on the mount, tighten everything up, and then you can put the cover on. So we're going to go to this tranny mount now. So with this one, we're going to support the tranny, take the bolts holding this member off, cross member, which the tranny mount is actually attached to. Two bolts here, and then there's one nut at the top holding it on. So if we look at the new one, that nut is at the top, two bolts go through the bottom there, it attaches to the brace. So we're going to take it off as one piece, but remember to support the transmission. Alright, so we got the tranny mount back in, tighten everything up, same thing as before, line everything up, get every bolt started, then tighten it all at once. So that's how you change engine and tranny mounts. 94 e320. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, like the video, and until next time.